think you're able to find people at Carvana that are similar to you. People usually gravitate to Conexión because of the similarity that we have in our culture and just being able to celebrate the pride of the Latin community.
Conexión is an employee resource group that helps support Latin American people and help the community. What I like the most is the way that we make food the center of our world, because that's how we unite and that's how we express our love.
Feed My Starving Children is directly tied to what we live and breathe at Conexión. Our nonprofit community is responsible for putting meals together that provide nutrition to kids that might not be able to get that otherwise.
We are so thrilled that Conexión with Carvana wanted to give back to the community in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month. To top it off, they wanted to have a bigger impact, so they invited one of their partners, Phoenix Rising, to come participate in the packing experience.
This partnership with Conexión and Feed My Starving Children, it means to be a part of the community where everyone loves food, but to give it to those who most need it is really important.
The Phoenix Rising team is very prevalent and well known in the Hispanic community and in Phoenix, and we wanted a little bit of a competition. Phoenix Rising, you are going down.
Vamos Carvana, Conexión, nosotros podemos.
Carvana puede vender caros, pero con Phoenix Rising tenemos jugadores profesionales. Entonces, vamos a ganar. Vamos Rising.
Alright, we're gonna start Carvana and Phoenix Rising. I know you guys have a competition going on. Okay, let's get going! Little update on our competition. Carvana has about 16 boxes. My Phoenix Rising group, you guys only have like 12. This is your 5-minute warning. You guys only have 5 minutes left to pack.
We all have the results from our competition. Carvana, you did 29. Phoenix Rising, you did 25. That is incredible numbers.